Hello student, today we will start exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.2, we have to learn some divisibility test. Started from 2. We have to check a number, is it divisible by 2 or not. Then we have to check its last digit. Last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then we can say that the number is divisible by 2. Next, if the sum of number is divisible by 3, then we can say that the number is divisible by 3. Next, if the sum of number is divisible by 9, then we can say that the digit is divisible by 9. Means, take one example. 4, 5, 6, 3. We have to sum it. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. And 18 is also divisible by 9. 9 2 is 18. So we can say that the number 4, 5, 6, 3 is divisible by 3 and 9 both. Now come on 4. 4, we have to check the last two digits. If last two digits is divisible by, if last two digit is divisible by 4, then we can say that the digit is divisible by 4. And if the last three digit is divisible by 8, then we can say that the number is divisible by 8. For 6, we have to check both 2 and 3. Check rule of both 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, then only we can say that the number is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by only one digit, then we cannot say that the number is divisible by 6. Now, come on 5. In 5, if the last digit is 0 or 5, last digit is 0 or 5, then only we can say that the number is divisible by 5. After that 10, last digit must be 0. If the last digit is 0, then only we can say that the number is divisible by 10, otherwise not. Then one last test of 11. 11 is some difference. Firstly, we have to check the sum of even place digit and odd place digit. Sum of odd place digit minus sum of even place digit. If the sum of odd place digit and even place digit is 0 or multiple of 11, then we can say that the number is divisible by 11, otherwise no. Take one example. 875. Numbers, it is on first place, it is on second, third, fourth and fifth place. There are 5 numbers and whose places we have decided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, sum of odd place digit. Odd place कौन सा होगा? 1, 3 and 5. So add all the 3 digits. First place means odd place with 5, third place 8 and on fifth place it is 5. Minus sum of even place. Second place plus 7 and fourth place plus 0. 5 plus 5, 8 plus 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 8 is 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7 is 11. So if the answer is 11, 0 or multiple of 11, then we can say that the number is divisible by 11. So we can say that the number 50875 is divisible by 11. Now come on exercise. In exercise we have just checked the numbers that it is divisible or not. First question. Which of the following number are divisible by 2? We have to check the number divisible by 2. So it is very easy. Just check the last digit. If the last digit is even number, then we can say that it is divisible by 2. So A option 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 9. Last digit is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. B 8, 9, 7, 0, 7, 8. Last digit is even, so we can say that it is divisible by 2. Then C 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 2. Again last digit is 2 or even number, so we can say that it is divisible by 2. Then second question. Using divisibility test, check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Means two, 3, 4, 6, 9, 3. Means add the number 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3. What is its sum? 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. Sum is 27 and we can say that 27 is divisible by 3. So the full number is divisible by 3. B option. 9, 8, 7, 4, 5. Sum it 9, 8, 7, 4, 5. So 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 5, 33. So 33 is also divisible by 3. So we can say that the number is divisible by 3. 4, 5, 6, 3, 8, 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3, 8 and 6. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. So 32 is not divisible by 3. So we can say that the number is not divisible by 3. So in the same way, come on next question. Third, we have to check the divisible by 4. So this question you can solve. Yeah. Then come on next, that is fourth question. Using divisibility test, divisible by 5. We have to check the number divisible by 5. So 5 is easy, just we have to check the last digit. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then we can say that it is divisible by 5. So our B option is correct. and C option is correct. Because in both the option last digit is 0 or 5. 8, 7, 6, 5, 9, 0. It is last digit is 0. It is 9, 8, 7, 6, 0, 5. Its last digit is 5. Then 6. Check the number. Is it divisible by 6 or not? So we have to check it by 2 and 3 both. So A 7, 1, 1, 2, 4. Last digit is 4, so we can say that it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Then check by 3. 7 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 plus 4, 15. So 15 is divisible by 3, so we can say that it is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so we can say that it is also divisible by 6. So our answer is correct. In the same way, we can check C, it is also correct option. Then sixth. We have to check the number. Is it divisible by 8 or not? So 6, 8, 8, 8, 8, 3, 6, 4. We have to check the last 3 digits. Is it divisible by 8 or not? If it is divisible by 8, then we can say that it is divisible by 8. It is not divisible. B 2, 7, 3, 1, 4. Last 3 digits is all again not divisible by 8. 6, 7, 5, 4, 1, 6. Now last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Now check. 4, 1, 6 divisible by 8. 8, 5 is 40. 1, 6, 8, 2 is 16. It is divisible. So we can say that the full digit is divisible by 8. So 7 you can solve, divisible by 9, you can check it again, and 10 is also easy. In next question, we have to check the divisibility rule of 10, and last digit must be 0, so is in B and C. Both option its last digit is 0, so we can say that both the number is divisible by 10. Now 11, divisibility rule of 11. Ninth question. We have to check the number, is it divisible by 11 or not? Come on. 4, 5, 5, 4, 0, 0. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. So sum of even places, second, 4 and 6th place. What we have to do? We have to do the sum of even place. Second place पे 0 plus fourth place पे 5 plus sixth place पे 4 minus sum of odd places 0, third place पे 4 and fifth place पे 5. Sum is 9. Here also sum is 9. If the answer is 0, then we can say that the number is divisible by 11. So it is correct option. Then B and C, you can check it. B is not divisible and C is divisible by 11. So check on the same way. Now come on, next question. You have to check you are filling in the blanks. Form a number divisible by 3. So, rule of divisibility 3 is do the sum. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6 is 22. So 22 में क्या प्लस करें अपन? So it will become divisible by 3. Nearer to 24, 2 next number is 24, which is divisible by 3. So we have to add it by 2. If we add the 2, then the number is divisible by 3. So our answer is 2. Next, 241 dash 279, and we have to check the number by 9. So 11th A, 9 के लिए divisibility rule, sum is must be divisible by 9. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7 is 25. So 25 plus dash equal to divisible by 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So 20 after 25, 27 is the smallest number which is divisible by 9. So in 25 we have to add 2, so it will become 27, and which is divisible by 9. So our answer is 2. After writing 2, the digit is divisible by 9. 12. We have to check the number by 11. 11 के लिए again numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sum of even place digit 2 4 6, second place पे 3, fourth place पे 2 and sixth place पे 9, minus odd place digit, first place पे 8, third place पे कुछ नहीं है अभी, and in fifth place it is 3 plus single. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, minus 8 plus 3 is 11. So यहाँ पे या तो क्या होना चाहिए, मल्टीपल ऑफ 11 या 0. इधर 14 है, अगर इधर भी अपन 14 बना देते हैं, सो 14 minus 14 आंसर इज 0. सो यहाँ 14 बनाने के लिए क्या प्लस करना होगा? 3. 11 plus 3 is 14 and minus 14 is 0. So इस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स की जगह अगर अपन 3 लिखते हैं, then the number must be divisible by 11. So it is the only answer. So exercise 4.2 is completed.